What's up everyone, Jeremy Vinny here. Today we're diving deep into the KBO FLIP Electric Bike. Throughout my tech journey, I've come across some fascinating e-bike brands that have made key modifications to differentiate themselves in an excitingly competitive market, and this KBO is no exception. Interestingly, the KBO FLIP e-bike arrived in an impressively compact box, which already piqued my curiosity. Come along as we explore every nook and cranny of this innovative machine. First things first, the unboxing. My initial impression of the KBO FLIP's packaging was positive. The bike's compact folding design meant a smaller box than anticipated. There's a commendable effort from KBO to reduce shipping footprint, which gets a thumbs up for environmental consciousness. Inside the box, KBO generously provides all required tools, eliminating the often frustrating scramble for that one missing wrench. The assembly process, backed by a comprehensive online manual, was straightforward. The bike came pretty much pre-assembled. All I needed to do was unfold the bike. Next, install the handlebars. Positioning and securing was quick, especially with the provided tools. Install the seat. Adjusting seat height was smooth with clear markers to avoid overextension. And last but not least, I inspected and lubricated the chain. A simple rotation ensures everything is in order. As far as specs, the KBO FLIP is not your adrenaline-pumping speed demon. It's designed for the everyday person seeking a blend of comfort, practicality, and a dash of style. Tucked right behind the seat, the 15.6 amp battery promises around 30 miles of pure electric cruising. Its placement ensures the bike's balance is on point. With a sustained 500 watt brushless geared motor, the FLIP comfortably reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The KBO FLIP has a lightweight aluminum quick release, ideal for urban dwellers with space constraints. Both the 48-volt LED headlight and brake rear light are CP/SC certified, ensuring visibility and safety. Sporting a Shimano 7-speed derailleur, the FLIP can adapt to a range of terrains. The FLIP has an extremely comfortable saddle paired with 20-inch by 3-inch Chaoyang tires, guaranteeing a ride that's plush and stable. Not forgetting the bonus accessories, full fenders with those unpredictable weather days, a functional rear rack, and a versatile 16-in-1 repair toolkit. I also added an optional frame bag to the bike. The frame bag has a 1.7 liter large capacity. Let's be real, no one likes the feeling of their pockets being weighed down while biking. With this bag, you can conveniently store your phone, maps, wallet, keys, tools, and more. It's not just about storage, it's about accessibility. The bag's high-sensitive TPU film window lets you effortlessly interact with your phone during your ride, be it for GPS, shuffling through your music playlist, or even answering a call. And for those who like to keep the beats going while they pedal, there's a hidden tiny hole at the bottom, making it convenient to use your earphones. Its design is both practical and user-centric. With 3 adjustable straps, it's a breeze to mount on the bike securely, and its easy install and removal feature are definitely pluses. Safety and durability haven't been overlooked. Crafted with an ultralight material, the bag ensures a minimal weight addition to your bike's frame. Couple that with double sealed zippers, and you have a bag ready to protect your valuables from even the harshest weather conditions. Now let's take the KBO FLIP out for a test drive. Taking the KBO FLIP to the mountains was an exhilarating experience. While it's not famed for blistering speeds, its design and build quality was on full display on the mountain trails. Navigating the terrains, the Shimano 7-speed derailleur proved its mettle. Whether it was uphill climbs or winding paths, the transitions were seamless. The 20-inch by 3-inch Chaoyang tires grip surfaces with assurance, reducing slippages and enhancing stability. Scenic mountain views combined with the Flip's smooth riding experience created moments of sheer joy. It was a balance of nature's raw beauty and human-made tech prowess. The KBO FLIP Electric Bike truly shines when taken out on scenic routes. As the sun cast its golden hue over the horizon, I set out on a journey along a serpentine mountain road, the quiet hum of the e-bike accompanying the rhythmic chirping of crickets and distant bird songs. Each turn presented a new vista, from sprawling valleys dotted with wildflowers to dense emerald canopies that seemed to touch the heavens. The bike's effortless handling made each twist and turn a joy, ensuring the rider could soak in every bit of the surrounding beauty without any apprehensions. Being on the KBO FLIP is akin to having a trusted companion that understands your needs, especially if you're a novice to the world of e-biking. Its beginner-friendly design is evident in its smooth acceleration and intuitive controls. There's no jarring thrust or speed or overwhelming technical features. Riding it feels natural, even if you've never ridden an e-bike before. Its gentle approach is endearing, allowing for one to focus on the journey rather than the mechanics of the ride. However, for those who might be seeking an adrenaline-pumping experience, it's worth noting that the KBO FLIP isn't about breakneck speeds. On my ride, the bike comfortably cruised at varying speeds, topping off at around 21 miles per hour. This pace, though not that fast, in the e-bike realm felt perfect for the scenic route I had chosen. It allowed me to savor each moment, every breathtaking view, and truly immerse in the tranquility that only nature combined with a reliable ride can offer. In the excitingly competitive e-bike market, the KBO FLIP holds its ground confidently. It's not seeking to break speed records. Instead, it's about infusing daily life with ease, style, and reliability. From bustling city streets to serene mountain trails, the FLIP proved it could handle both with grace. Huge props to KBO for delivering a product that blends value, design, and functionality. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.